This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Brittany Hawkins. Hardin Valley Schools with 4 bedrooms, 2 on the main level. This professionally cleaned and newly painted beautiful 4-bedroom 3 full bath home, with sunroom, awaits you in Hardin Valley Vista. Located midway between Campbell Station Road and Pellissippi Parkway, this home is convenient to Farragut, Oak Ridge, Knoxville, and I-40. The yard comes complete with a professionally installed irrigation system. The owner's suite and 2nd bedroom are on the main level along with an open floor plan with kitchen, dining area, and living room that opens into the very nice sunroom, a rarity in this subdivision. You will find 2 more bedrooms and bonus room upstairs offering privacy and versatility, as well. The beautiful chandelier stays with the home as do the refrigerator, new gas range, new dishwasher, and new microwave. This marvelous, near the end of the cul-de-sac, Hardin Valley home with open floor plan and sunroom is now available. For more information,